Hello everybody, now I'll present you this knife, which is Zero Tolerance 0562 carbon fiber clone, of course. So this is from AliExpress for around $57.60 is the price I'm looking at now on my computer. So yeah, and the knife is, what I say, it's good. On the pictures it looks better, and live, it's not bad. It's not exactly bad knife, of course. And unfortunately it has all the encryptions here, the text of like the original, and it's pretty much looks like the original knife. It's a decent flipper, not the best, not the worst. Let's see if the detent holds. Yeah, the detent is pretty well. No, it's not very good holding. When you hold it like this and you push the lock, the frame lock, then it holds. But if you not push the frame lock, sometimes it don't hold. But it's hold decent, so it's good. It's relatively good centered. I mean, it's perfect centered, so it's cool. Yeah, the steel. Let's see. The steel, they say it's CPM 20 CV. I'm not sure that this copy has the steel. It's 21 centimeters long, and I have also the cheaper copy here, which is around $20 or $30. I'm not sure how much is the copy, but I'll make another video for it. And it's also a decent flipper, and it's the only difference. They have some differences, which is one of the differences is here. You see this distance here and this distance. This is longer here, from this to the point. This is longer in the expensive copy, and this is carbon fiber. Of course, this is not. This is titanium. This is just steel. So let's see how much they weigh. Let's see. First, the carbon fiber, we'll see. It's set on the side that it's 170 grams. Okay, it's way less, it's 143 grams. Let's see the cheaper one. 170. Okay, so it's almost 30 grams difference, which is cool. I mean, this one 57, and this one is half the price. So it's your choice which one you prefer. This one is with ball bearings, of course, and you can see even there's blue plastic ball bearings. You can see them here inside, which is unusual. I haven't seen knife which this can be seen. It's pretty sharp, I mean very sharp. Yes, just super sharp. And the one thing that I don't like, it's light, it's pretty, very good looking knife. One thing that I don't like, it's the frame lock goes too deep. See, super deep in, which is very, very, for me, not a good feeling, you know. You get this knife, you see, oh, it's centered, very good flipper, lighting fast, very nice, very sharp, very good feeling in the hand. Hinder design, Mr. Hinder is has done very, very nice job. But this frame lock, when it goes like this, and when you push it, it goes even further. When it goes like that, it spoils it. It just spoils this great knife. And I guess this is about the piece, which piece you get from the lottery. And for this price, around $60, I guess the knives should be more consistent, but I guess they are not. So yeah, I'm not very proud of this. I'm not very happy with it. And since it's not my knife, it's for a friend. I was wondering if I want to buy this knife for a long time, maybe 2 years now, since I saw it for the first time, and I just I was not sure if I want it, because it's good looking and everything, but it's a very common knife. I like more strange knives, and this is pretty common, but I like it. And since he said, okay, can you order me this knife? I said, okay, let's see what the knife is. Let's see what the knife is, how it feels, and what quality it is. It's pretty decent quality. Everything is well made, which you can expect even for the lower quality copy. For the lower price, it's a good quality, pretty good, and it's a decent flipper also. But this thing, expose it. I am just not that happy with this knife. So I guess yeah, it's cool. It's pretty cool. The real carbon fiber and everything. It's pretty nice. But it's a little bit spoiled by the frame lock. And I will probably write to the seller and we'll send him a picture and say, can you make something just for me, not to feel that, to take this strange feeling of this happiness out. Yeah. Otherwise, you can see it's a decent knife. I think it will be very nice cutter. And the difference from the original, if I'm reading right the pictures, is that the belly here is a little more pronounced in the original, and in the copy it's like this. Yeah, this is a copy. So yeah, pretty nice. The separators here, too many of them in my opinion. You can pass with half these two, you don't need them, I think. But whatever, they figured it out. They think they need to put them there. So it's probably very well, I mean very sturdy knife, which is cool. And it's extremely, you rarely get to this comfortable knife in this grip. Like very comfortable. It's amazing. I have relatively big hands because I'm 6'3" or something. I'm not used to this foot and inches, but 6'3", which is 1 meter and 95 centimeters almost. So yeah, pretty big hands, and this knife is extremely comfortable. Just amazing when you, oh, very nice. Just you can hold it like this forever. You know? Very nice. So yeah, only thing, the frame lock. Other than that, very nice. The steel, I don't know what it is. They say it's CPM 20 CV, which even in the original I'm not very familiar with this type of steel exactly, so I cannot say anything about it. Titanium, carbon fiber, 143 grams and 21 centimeters long. So that's it for this knife. Thank you very much, and until the next time, of course.